damn, I think I just, Welcome back to Tom's Garage, fellers. A little shop update. It is barely February. Yeah. And I got to show you guys what is going on in the shop these days. Ooh. Look at all that. Look at all that shit. I got a lot of stuff for sale, man. Fixed up. I spent the last month tearing out everything that was in the, I call it the shit shed. Because the stuff customers tell me to, just keep it. Ain't worth fixing. Whatever. Somebody needs to come and get. You know who you are. Somebody needs to come and get that. You know who you are. Somebody needs to come and get that. You know who you are. But, man, I have been busy ripping stuff out of the shit shed. I've got this for sale. Little tiller. That's for sale. $150 for that. $65 for that little tiller, man. Golly, I just got this thing out all polished up. And Mother restored the headlights for me. Oh, ain't that pretty? And that's going to be about $600. Nice mower. And waiting for parts for that. Show off my beautiful screwdriver set. Look at that. Pow! I got all kinds of stuff laying around. Man, I have been busy. Busy. Let me show you my list of stuff I got for sale right here, man. Yeah, don't hate me. I've been working on home light stuff. Yep. Look at all that stuff I got for sale. Here's my policy right there, but you can pause it and read that. All this stuff I got for sale, I have drug out of the shit shed and fixed up, got running. That's about $4,500 and something worth of stuff. You know, I don't advertise. People come to me and ask me if I have this. What do I have? You know, a lot of lawn care guys, you know, they just eat stuff up. So I'm going to walk over here. And show you. Here's all this stuff right here. All this stuff, BR800, and I got two 580T Echo blowers. I got two of them burned up, straight gas run through them. This is the stuff that I fixed up over the past couple of weeks, man. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Bow. This needed a new flywheel. It shared a flywheel key, man. This thing's like brand new. Little home light weed eater. That's a Ryobi blower, another Ryobi weed eater, home light chainsaw, man, another Ryobi chainsaw, man. All this stuff I got ready to sell because people are going to be beating my doors down in a month. They're going to be beating my doors down. I gotta get it ready for sale. So this is kind of an update, man. I can't even get in this shop right now, man. I am just slammed. Let me walk out here and I'll show you what else I got for sale. Man, it was 71 degrees yesterday. God, I'm in my house shoes, gonna get my feet wet just for you guys. I had to put Mother's van in the carport, man. The windshield leaks. I got a little something for somebody here pretty soon right there. I've got a little push mower, $60. I got this other stuff I want to fix up too. I got push mower, got the yin yang, man. Cup Cadet zero turn. Fella brought this thing to me, man, and bad oil leak, ended up having a hole in the block, so I put a new Kohler V twin on it, man. I got this thing here for sale. It's like brand new, snapper rear engine rudder. Come and get you a deal. I got this. This is a DLT 3000. This is hilarious, man. I've never seen a DLT lawn care 3000 tractor, but this thing's jammed up, serviced up, ready to go. And I got 148,500 pounds of aluminum. I don't know who the hell's been coming over here drinking all this beer. Man, that's a lot of beer cans. I think Uncle Bob would be proud of me of that. Look at it. God almighty. Let's walk around here, man. I want to show you this. God, everything's so wet. Slip and bust my ass in this mud. Ew. There's a junkyard, man. I got all this stuff is either going to be parts or fixed up. I got stuff stashed under stuff. Ew. I got more decks. That's a piece of shit. I ain't gonna fix that. I got all that. Uh-oh, cops are coming. Man, this is all stuff I've collected in the past year, man. I have spent the last month going through this shed. I'd get bored and come out here, man. I would come out here and I would just pick up stuff. And then I don't have any electricity out here, man, but I got all my wheels and tires. Boy, it's kind of spooky out here, isn't it? Oh, spooky dooky. I could have done this during the daylight, but look at all this stuff, man. Ooh-wee. Oh, I just showed somebody's phone number. Hide that right there. Oh, the lights just come on out there. Nice. Maybe y'all get a little better idea of all the crap I got out here over the past year, but yeah, they redid the roof, man, a few months ago, and I got 16 packs of shingles he gave me left over, man. That's hundreds of dollars worth of stuff. I got Honda Mower engines, man, push mower engines. Ooh. Ooh. Let me close this door. I'm not going to remember to come out here and do it later. That's pretty good left-handed, isn't it? One-handed. Ugh. But anyway, guys, that is... Ooh, I just slipped in the mud. That is an update at Tom W. Moore Repair. All that stuff. I even had to move my boat. Let me show you this, man. Ooh. I think my neighbors are looking out the window thinking I'm nuts. I'm glad they finally realize it. I've got all this stuff here too, man. I had to put my boat outside. Golly. Let's make a trek back. Make a trek back to the shop. There's my single axle trailer nation. Ooh. Man, it's cold and windy, man. They were calling for flurries tomorrow, and it was 70 degrees the last couple days. And it doesn't turn cold, boy. And this video is brought to you by Purple Power. You know I'm bullshitting. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope to see you guys tonight at 8 o'clock on the Dobie and Johnny show. Be there or be square.